Good morning, students. Children, today we are going to read this poem. This is poem number 4, Beauty, and the name of the poet is E. A. Shore. Yes, see. This is the name of the poet, E. A. Shore. And the name of the poem is Beauty. This is your fourth poem, and see beauty. This a picture. Through this picture, the poet has tried to describe the word beauty. Beauty क्या होता है beauty? अब normal beauty word से हम यही समझते हैं सुंदर, लेकिन सुंदर हम अक्सर किस चीज़ को मानते हैं? सुंदरता हम सोचते हैं कि जो देखने में बहुत सुंदर चीज़ है वो सुंदर है। बट अब देखिए आगे पोयम में पोएट किस तरह से आपको बता रहा है कि व्हाट इज़ द रियल मीनिंग ऑफ ब्यूटी। यस, a small introduction of the poem. In this poem, beauty has been defined, and the poet says that beauty is there in everything. There is beauty in everything, students. Now, to know more about beauty, let us read the poem. Yes, see, this is the first stanza of the poem. Beauty is seen in the sunlight. The trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. So, in how many things the poet is seeing the beauty? Beauty in the sunlight, beauty in the trees, the birds, in the corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. Means in all these things there is beauty. Beauty is in sunlight. Normally हम क्या सोचते हैं जी sunlight तो बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं होती है, sunlight बहुत तेज़ है, ये beautiful नहीं है. But beauty is there in sunlight. अगर sunlight नहीं होगी तो क्या आपको अच्छा लगेगा? No. Then obviously trees are beautiful, birds are beautiful, and corn growing people who are working hard for their livelihood, they are also very beautiful. Hard work is always beautiful, students. Or dancing for their harvest. The people, when they work hard and when their crop is ready to harvest, they dance with joy. So their dance is also very, very beautiful. Means all these things contain beauty. Beauty is in the eyes of beholder. Means beauty तो हमारी आँखों में है. हम जिस चीज़ में सुंदरता खोजना चाहेंगे उसमें हमें सुंदरता मिल जाएगी. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, ब्यूटी इज देयर इन आवर आईज, इट इज इन द आईज ऑफ बिहोल्डर. Yes, now the word meanings. Corn, everybody knows what is a corn. Corn, wheat, it is a cereal crop. Then like oats, maize, barley, etc. Harvest means the time of the year when the crop is ready to be cut. हार्वेस्ट होता है फसल की कटाई का टाइम, जब क्रॉप जो है वो पूरी तरह से तैयार हो जाती है और कटने के लिए रेडी हो जाती है. दैट टाइम इज नोन एज हार्वेस्टिंग टाइम. नाउ दिस इज द सेकेंड स्टैंजा. स्टूडेंट, पहले आपने देखा कि ब्यूटी इज सीन. फर्स्ट स्टैंजा में क्या बोला था इसने? ब्यूटी इज सीन. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सी, you have to be very careful that beauty is seen. Okay, beauty is seen. This is the first आपका जो है ये stanza है. Okay students, beauty is seen. Here it is. First stanza में poet ने क्या बोला है कि beauty is seen. Okay, you have to be very careful about it. Now see, in second stanza, the poet is saying that beauty is heard. मतलब ब्यूटी देखी भी जा सकती है और ब्यूटी सुनी भी जा सकती है. सुंदरता सिर्फ देखने के लिए नहीं है, इट कैन बी हर्ड ऑल्सो. लाइक वेयर ब्यूटी इज हर्ड इन द नाइट. हाउ विल यू हर्ड ब्यूटी इन नाइट? How will you hear this time? Wind sighing, rain falling. When wind blows, it makes a sound. When rain falls, it makes a sound. and a singer chanting. A singer chanting. Chanting means to sing, gungunana. Anything in earnest. Earnest, sincere and honest conviction means जो भी चीज, earnest means यहाँ पर है true, जो भी चीज true है, clear है, that is beautiful. It should be. What is beauty? Beauty should be sincere and honest. Honest conviction means whatever is your behavior, means your behavior should be sincere and honest. If you are sincere, if you are honest, then you are beautiful. So listen students, beauty is heard in the night. Night में आप जब कुछ चीज़ों की आवाज़ें सुनते हैं वो भी ब्यूटीफुल है. विंड साइंग, ओके, जब विंड चलती है तो कोई आवाज़ करती है, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ब्यूटीफुल. व्हेन रेन फॉल्स, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ब्यूटीफुल. ओके, एंड द सॉन्ग यू हियर इज़ ऑल्सो ब्यूटीफुल. जो अच्छा म्यूज़िक आपके कानों को अच्छा लगता है, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ब्यूटीफुल. So here we have the word meaning sighing. Sighing means sound of a deep loud breath or exhale. सांस लेना. जो विंड की आवाज़ है वो ऐसी लगती है जैसे हम सांस ले रहे हैं, धरती सांस ले रही है. एंड चैंटिंग मीन्स सिंगिंग. यस, नाउ दिस इज द थर्ड स्टैंजा. ब्यूटी इज इन योर सेल्फ. यस स्टूडेंट्स, ब्यूटी आपके अंदर है, उसको ढूंढने के लिए आपको कहीं नहीं जाना है. ऑल ऑफ यू आर ब्यूटीफुल. ब्यूटी इज इन योर सेल्फ. तो आपके अंदर ब्यूटी किस रूप में है, आपको कैसे पता चलेगा दैट यू आर ब्यूटीफुल? गुड डीड्स. डीड्स मीन्स एक्ट्स. डीड्स मीन्स एक्ट्स, गुड एक्ट्स. इफ यू आर डूइंग गुड थिंग्स, देन हैप्पी थॉट्स आर ब्यूटीफुल. हैप्पी थॉट्स मीन्स जो आपके विचार हैं, अगर वो अच्छे हैं तो आप सुंदर हो. दैट रिपीट देमसेल्व्स इन योर ड्रीम्स. ऑब्वियसली whatever is there in your mind, dreams are the representation of your thoughts only. Means whatever is there in your mind, all those things come into your dreams. And beauty is there in your work. Means your work should be honest, your work should be good. And even in your rest, beauty is there in your rest also. Means आप जो भी काम कर रहे हैं वो अच्छा हो, किसी का नुकसान नहीं हो, दैट इज़ ब्यूटिफुल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग हार्ड, यू आर ब्यूटिफुल. इफ़ यू आर हेल्पिंग अदर्स, you are beautiful. You are doing a thing of beauty there. Okay, if you are thinking good thoughts, if your thoughts are good, you are beautiful. So beauty is in many things. So what is the now word meanings is there. Deeds means acts, acts means works. Okay, then repeat means to happen again and again. Okay students, so beauty, अब आप देखिए ब्यूटी यहाँ पे तीन तरह से बताई गई है. दैट ब्यूटी could be seen, it is visible. Beauty can be heard, means it is audible. And beauty is in yourself, means beauty is in you. You are beautiful. And when you are beautiful, when you do good works, if your works, your deeds are good, then you are beautiful. And then see students, this is the original text of the poem. This is the page I have downloaded from NCERT, and I will send the picture of this image also. If anybody doesn't have the copy book with you, honeysuckle, then you can read this poem from this page. Once again I am going to read for you this poem. What is beauty? Try to describe what beauty is, or list some of the things or person you like, you think are beautiful. Okay, now let us read the poem on beauty. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting. Singer is a person who sings the songs, and chanting means to sing. anything in earnest. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. And the poet is E.A. Shore. Students, every time when you read a chapter or when you read a poem, please learn the name of the poet and the writer also, because in exams you may get 1 mark question regarding the name of the poet or the author. Okay, students? So now I think everything is clear to you. If you have any query or any question, please, you are free to call me anytime, and you can send your questions on the WhatsApp groups which I have made, or on the YouTube channel comment box. I will try my best to answer your queries. Thank you, students.